Hey y'all, this is Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and today we're on board our 2019 Sea Ray SPX 230. One of the things that differentiates this boat from some of the rest of the SPX line, this is the smallest one with a head. This has got a bathroom, whether you've got a small family with you, a bunch of ladies who drank too much, whatever the story may be, on your day on the sandbar pulling skiers, this boat has totally got you covered from one end to the other. So let's start at the back. What you're gonna see back here is a really cool space age cowling. That's covering up Mercury's new 3.4 liter V6 in 200 horsepower. That motor has loads of torque. Obviously, I'm sitting on an awesome lounger, big platform for laying out in the sun. Really, one of the things this boat does well, it really parties the sandbar hard and gets everybody there. But one of the things I often forget when I'm doing these is these boats have storage. Holy crap, do they have storage. Right now we've got 2 tables in here, we've got covers in here, the legs for the tables, and seriously, there's room for like a wakeboard in there and 4 backpacks, more like 6, or your best friend. There's storage under all the seats, everything here, and you can see the seats are comfortable, they're expansive. Here's where one of your tables goes, nice stainless bracket, and there's a twin to that in the front. You've got fusion speakers hiding out of the way, and here's one of the little details, and it's all about details with Sea Ray, but one of the little things they do, look at these cup holders. They're tucked out of the way. You can't kick your drink over, you can't spill it, it's tucked out of the way, it's safe when you're running, it's awesome. Speaking of running, this boat, awesome captain's chairs. They're very comfortable when you want to sit and relax, but you've got a bolster that pops back up if you need to run in rough water, and the steering is tilt steering. You've got fantastic Mercury controls, tilt, trim here, amazing stereo by Fusion, and in addition to your gauges, you actually have an in-dash screen by Simrad. It gives you GPS, all you need right there. As I had mentioned earlier, we've got a head on this bathroom. Plenty of room for anybody that needs to tuck in there, long day on the water. And of course, we're finishing this out with a big open bow. You got huge loungers, Fusion stereo, 2-tone vinyl. Guys, this is an awesome boat for running around and getting used to Florida's Gulf Coast. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and this is a 2019 Sea Ray 230. Give us a shout if we can give you a test ride or answer some questions.